Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with Google Maps platform to embed location UI in website. First, navigate to the Google Cloud Console website. Create a new project or select an existing project. In the project dashboard, look for the navigation menu on the top left. Click on APIs and Services in the menu. Select Library from the APIs and Services section. In the library, search for Maps JavaScript API. Click on the Maps JavaScript API option. Then, click on the Enable button to activate the API. Now, return to the APIs and Services menu. Click on Credentials. In the Credentials page, click on Create Credentials. Choose API key from the options provided. A new API key will be generated for you. Copy this API key and save it securely. Next, navigate to the Google Maps platform pricing page for details on any costs associated. After reviewing, go back to your project. In the APIs and Services menu, choose Dashboard. Check that the Maps JavaScript API is listed. Next, go to your website's HTML file. Add the Google Maps script tag within the head section of your HTML. Paste your API key into the script tag's src URL. Make sure the URL looks like this: https://maps.googleapis.com/maps/api/js ? Key your API_key &callback init map . Define the init map function in your JavaScript code. This function will create a new map instance. Customize your map location and other properties as needed. Save your HTML file and open it in your web browser. You should now see the embedded Google Maps location UI on your website. If it doesn't appear, recheck your API key in console for any error messages. Make sure your browser supports JavaScript. Test the functionality by interacting with the map features. Your integration with the Google Maps platform is now complete. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.